Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD Mastery YouTube video. Now, today's video, we're going to be talking about a P0027 code. What exactly is it? What are the causes, solutions, and symptoms of this code? So let's get into it, talking about very first here, what exactly is it? So this code indicates an issue with the exhaust valve control solenoid circuit performance range on bank 1, which is crucial for regulating the timing and operation of the exhaust valves. When this code is triggered, it often leads to significant disruptions in engine efficiency, performance, manifesting as a range of operational problems such as reduced power output, increased emissions, and overall poor drivability due to the solenoid's inability to properly manage exhaust flow, making it essential for vehicle owners to promptly address this code to avoid further engine complications and potential costly repairs. Moving on, a couple symptoms you're going to actually run through is you will have a check engine light illuminated on your cluster. Number two is poor engine performance. So you're going to notice a decline in your engine's performance, characterized by sluggish performance as well. Number three is going to be rough idling, which is just going to be the shaking of your engine or car in general due to the engine struggling to keep up performance. And pretty much what it does as well is it gives you an not maintainable RPM. So you're going to be shaking all the time. It's going to be going up and down. You might even go into limp mode. Number four is going to be decreased fuel efficiency. So you're not going to get the fuel economy that you once had. You're going to get reduced fuel economy, and basically you're going to be using more gas than usual. All right, more frequent trips to the gas station. So be aware that you can burn fuel a lot more easier, as this code is a culprit to what is behind a fuel consumption. So let's go ahead and get to the next part of the video, which is the causes. Now, one of the causes here is a faulty exhaust valve control solenoid. So what this one does is it acts as a component responsible for regulating the flow of exhaust gases, and when it fails, it can lead for significant performance issues in the engine. Now, next up is going to be damaged wiring or poor connections. So any frayed, loose, corroded wires can be a massive cause of this code, and it could actually trigger the P0027 code due to lack of proper communication with the system and voltage between wiring. Now, next up is going to be the oil flow restriction to the solenoid. Any restrictions in oil flow to the exhaust valve control solenoid can severely impact its operation, as this solenoid requires adequate lubrication and hydraulic pressure to function correctly. Blockages can lead to erratic behavior or failure. Next up is going to be the malfunctioning ECM. So a malfunctioning ECM can also contribute to the P0027 code by incorrectly interpreting data from the exhaust valve control solenoid or failing to send the necessary commands for operation, which may result in a cascade of performance issues. Next up is going to be a repair cost overview, where you're pretty much going to be looking at when diagnosing and actually, fixing this code. So the exhaust valve control solenoid will range between $150 and $300. This is both parts and labor for installation. Taking consideration that it does vary on your location. Number two is going to be wiring repair. So you're looking for $50 to $200 depending on those poor connections and how badly they are wired up. But basically, just remember one thing is that if you do this all yourself, you could save a significant amount of money. Number three is oil flow restriction repair. So this will run you down another $50 to $200, again, depending on the specific underlying cause of the restriction. And the ECM control, or the engine control module replacement. This one, all right, is a possible culprit, but ECMs are pretty rare to go out. It's never zero though, but you are looking between $800 to $1,500, including both parts and labor, making it one of the most costly repairs associated with the code. Now, the solution for the P0027 code is inspecting the wiring and connections. You could also test the exhaust valve control solenoid. Utilize a multimeter or diagnostic scanner to test the exhaust valve control solenoid for functionality. Ensure that it is operating within the manufacturer's specification. Check oil flow restrictions. So investigate the oil passages leading to the exhaust valve control solenoid for any restrictions caused by sludge, debris, or blockages, as ensuring adequate oil flow is crucial for the solenoid's operation and can prevent further engine performance issues. Next is going to be the diagnose of ECM. Now, perform a comprehensive diagnosis assessment of the ECM to determine if it is functioning correctly and to rule out any software or hardware malfunctions that could be contributing to the P0027 code, as resolving ECM issues may require reprogramming or replacement. Next is going to be the professional mechanic consultation. So If the aforementioned solutions do not rectify the P0027 trouble code, it is advisable to consult with a qualified automotive technician who can provide expert insight and potentially identify underlying issues that may not be immediately apparent, ensuring a thorough resolution to the problem. So that's today's video talking about the P0027 trouble code. What are the causes, symptoms, and the solutions of the P0027 code? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what part of this video did help you out. And if it did help you out, then leave a comment down below that it did. Don't forget to check out our catalog regarding other P0 codes associated in OBD2. But thank you guys for watching another OBD mastery video, and I will see you all for another one.